Ever wondered how to convert your online presence into a money-making machine? Today, we tackle that very question, breaking down the process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Get ready to embark on a journey into the world of online earnings, where the potential for profit is as vast as the internet itself. The first step to making money online involves identifying a niche. This could be anything from rare book collecting to vegan recipes. The important thing is that it's a subject you're passionate about. When you love what you do, it shines through and attracts others to your content. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to start a blog or website. This serves as your online headquarters, a place where people can learn more about you and what you offer. Remember, a well-designed, user-friendly website is key to attracting and retaining visitors. Now, it's time to start creating content. Focus on providing value to your visitors. Whether it's informative articles, entertaining videos, or insightful podcasts, make sure your content is something people can't find anywhere else. The more unique and valuable your content, the more people will want to engage with it. Once you have a steady stream of visitors, you can start to monetize your content. This could involve selling products or services, running ads, or even getting sponsors. There are countless ways to monetize a website or blog, so feel free to get creative. The final step is promotion. Use social media, email marketing, and other online platforms to get the word out about your content. The more people who know about it, the more potential customers you'll have. In summary, making money online involves identifying a niche, starting a blog or website, creating valuable content, monetizing that content, and promoting it to the right audience. While it may seem daunting at first, each step is a building block towards the ultimate goal of making $100 per day or more online. The beauty of this process is that it can be done from anywhere, at any time. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. So why wait? Start building your online empire today and turn your passion into profit.